guys, so I'm First Class V here, back with another GCSS-A helpful video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit that bell, be notified when new videos are posted. So today we're back into our Access Administrator series with part 10 with displaying personnel master data. All right, so this is extremely important if you're trying to find the DoD ID, email address, a phone number, unit assignment, their position number in their unit. You can find all that from this T code, which is PA20. So supply sergeants out there, if you're trying to locate a certain individual for an email or a phone number for a lateral transfer, you can use this T code and hopefully it gets you the information that you need to carry out that lateral transfer. So without further ado, let me go and share my screen and we're going to jump into PA20. All right, so of course we're at our assignment workbench, and for personnel, we're just going to go search display personnel. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show my my personnel number, but this is the main screen you're going to jump to. Okay, so now you can search if you know the personnel number. You can search by the personnel number. You can search by DoD ID or social security number. If you haven't had a chance to watch my previous video, I teach you guys how to take a DoD ID number or a social security number and find an individual. All right, so for this, all I'm going to do is put in my personnel number. All right, so this is going to pull up your data here in the front and give you your name, the area, and your current cost center that you are under. All right, now from here, info text type. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here. So I want to hit on a quick few personnel features. Okay, so your personnel features is going to hold your personnel height, weight, eye color, hair color. Any required information be placed in the equipment operator or your military driver's license. All right, so all you master drivers out there, that should be your #1 tab right there, right? And of course, your job index holds the individual's military rank. Your company instructions holds your assigned labor code and contract information. Another cool feature with this is you can go to operator equipment usage, which is down here a little ways. And when you click on this, it's going to show the equipment operator your cumulative wheel and track mileage, okay, as well as the number of days since a violation. Then you can also go to planned work time, which displays standard values for daily, weekly, monthly, so forth. All right. Then of course your timesheets. Then you can reference your personnel number and displays the personnel numbers that are assigned to a dual person user. All right. So you don't have to worry about too much about that. All right. So we're going to go check out a few of these tabs. So we're going to go first one to personnel data. All right. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on the tab and you're going to hit the display button. All right, so it's going to pull up your information, your last name, first name, so forth. Okay, your marital status, if this stuff is loaded. If not, all right. Let's go to personal features. This is, like I said, where the master drivers earn their money. All right, so here it's going to tell you your height, weight, eye color, hair color, blood type, and any special features. So if you got any scars or anything that can identify you, you can actually put the special features in here. All right, like I said, I don't know how your post is, but our TMP yard, anytime we try to draw a TMP, if the eye color, hair color are not correct or they're blank, they will not issue the TMP. So it forces the master drivers to go in here and actually do their job. So all you master drivers out there, make sure you're doing the right thing. All right. So another cool feature about this, your job index, right? So it's going to tell you your current rank and all that stuff to set in the system, okay? So, hope this video is helpful. Like I said, this is just the display portion. We're going to do another video on how to actually change and make some updates in a personnel file. So, without further ado, I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos in the series. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.